Good morning children. Today we are going to see the international place value chart. Okay, already I have taught you in Indian place value chart periods and the places I have taught. Let's see that. First let's see the Indian one. Then you compare with the international, then for you it is easy to understand. I think last year also I have taught you. First in Indian place value chart that periods. No, first is ones period. So in ones period there are three places. In ones period there are three places, that is ones, again tens and hundreds. So these are the three places in ones period. Okay, this is the period. Ones, this is the periods and this is the places. You must know the difference. Already I have taught you in the Indian place value chart. It is the period and this is a place. So in ones period there are three places, ones, tens and hundreds. Then next comes is the thousands period. I think you remember next period is the thousand period. And in thousand period there are only two places. Okay, that is 1000. So just we say it is 1000. And next one is the 10,000. So 10, T-E-N 10, I have written short form. Next one is the 10,000. So these two places are there in thousand period. Okay, next period is lakh. Next period is lakh. Okay, in lakhs period also we have two period, that is 1 lakh, just we say that is lakh, and another one is a 10 lakh. So this 1000 and lakh period you see 1 and 10, 1 and 10, that is the one only. 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Same thing it goes for crores period also. Next one is the crores. So in crores period we have crore and 10 crore. So only ones period you have three places, that is ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Again in thousands period we have 1000, 10,000. In lakhs period lakh, 10 lakh, and in crores period crores and 10 crore. Okay, this already you know. Ones period is three places are there. In thousands period two places. In lakhs period two places. In crores place two places. That's why when we write the numbers here, according to the period we put the comma now. So suppose if you are writing the number like this when we write, according to the period we put a comma. Okay, first is ones period, first three places is the ones period. From we calculate from right side, isn't it? So first three period is the ones period, so we after 3 digit we put a comma. Again next two periods is the thousands period. So to separate the thousand period, then we put a comma after 2 digit. So this is the way we put a comma in Indian place value chart. That is first 3 periods, then 2 periods we put a comma. Then when you put a comma, then you will know you can separate the. So when you put a comma, then you will know this is ones period, this is thousands, and this is lakh. So this is lakh period. So you will write in number name 7 lakh, and this two is thousand period. So you will write this number is 54,000, and this is ones period. So just you will read it as it is 956. So 7 lakh 54,956. This 3 digit you will be easily you will be able to read, since you have learned in class 2. This 3 digit only. This here if you remember the period, then it will be easy for you. Just you have to look at the number. In this period the number is 54, so 54,000, and here the number is 7 and it is in lakhs period, so 7 lakh. So you can write easily the number name 7 lakh 54,956. Now let's see the international place value chart. International place value chart, if you compare with the Indian place value chart, then you can remember very easily. Only thing here, first 3 periods, then 3 places, then 2 like that we divide. No, but here all are only 3 places. Let's see, first period is ones period. So this is same. Ones period is the same, that has the 3 places. So it is same for Indian and international. So in ones period, that is ones, tens and hundreds. So this remains the same. Then comes the thousands period. In thousands period, in Indian place value chart we have 2 places. But in international place value chart we have 3 places. Only that is a different. In Indian place value chart we have only 2 places, no? But in international place value chart we have 3 places. That is 1000, just we write it 1000. Next one is 10,000, Next one is 100,000. Okay, only this 100,000 is extra added here in 1000 places. That's all. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. You see, ones, tens, hundreds. 1, 10, 100. Same thing. This is the one repeated, but with that added 1000. Okay, see, ones, tens, hundreds. So 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. This is repeated with that added 1000. Again, next places is the million place. Okay, only up to million you will learn in International Place Value Chart. Okay, if you compare the million places, here also in million period there are 3 places, that is 1 million, just we write it million, next one is 10 million, next one is 100 million. So here the periods are divided into 3 places. Okay, ones period is 3 places, thousands period 3 places, and millions period 3 places. But here only ones period has 3 places. All other periods have only 2 places. And here thousands, ones and thousands periods we have. But here we have international system million period. But here after thousands period we have lakh and crore. Okay, only that is the difference. Okay, so you must remember up to 10,000 both will be equal in Indian and International Place Value Chart. Up to 10,000 it will be equal, and here after 10,000 comes here 100,000, and here after 10,000 comes lakh place. So this 1 lakh and 100,000 both are equal. Okay, both the values are same, but in India we call it lakh, but in international out of India we call it is as 100,000. Both the numbers are same. That means lakh, how do you write? How many zeros are there in lakh? This is 5 zeros are there in lakh. Okay, this is lakh. And same thing, if you write 100,000, it is the same, 100 and 1000. So both are same. The numbers are same, only the comma is placed in different places, and it is called lakh, and it is called this is called 100,000. Both are same, the value is same, but the calling, way of calling and way of that marking the places, periods, that is the different. Okay, again same thing. After that we are getting 1 million, but here we are getting 10 lakh. So million and 10 lakh will be equal. Both are same, but only the name is different. In India we call it 10 lakh, but in international they call it is million. Again next one, after million comes in international 10 million, and here after that comes crore. So crore and 10 million both are equal. Crore and 10 million both are equal. Again here it is 100 million, and here it is 10 crore. So this both are equal. Okay, now here I have both compared, and I have given Indian Place Value Chart and International Place Value Chart, and I have given which are equal, lakh and 100,000. These both are equal. You can see here value is same. Okay, only the way we call it in India it is lakh, but when they call it in internationally they call it is 100,000. Okay, see the zeros here, also 5 zeros, and here also 5 zeros. Only the comma, the places where the comma is placed, no, that is it is different. The periods are different, that's all. All other things are same. So lakh, 10 lakh and million is same. Both you can count the zeros and find the value is same. Both are values same. Only the placing of comma and the calling, the way of calling depends upon the place in India and outside. Again, crore and 10 million both are same. 10 crore and 100 million both are same. So this must you know. Okay, this can be asked in the questions, which are equal, comparing Indian and International Place Value Chart. To find the value how it is equal, just you count the zeros. No, both the number of zeros will be equal. Both the values are same. Let's see that writing the number name or writing in words. Okay, so this one. First let me explain in Indian system. In Indian system, the main thing when you write the number name or writing in words, first the placing of comma is important, then it will be easy for you. Okay, so this number in Indian system, if you place a comma, it will be, first you have to put after 3 digits, isn't it? From, always remember from right side. Okay, so from 1, 2, 3. So after 3 digits, first is 3 digits, afterward 2 digits. So here 2, again 2 is there. So this is the way we will put a comma, and the first 3 1, this is one's place, one's period, and this 2 where it is separated with the comma, that is thousands period, and next one, this 2 is, it is a lakh period. Okay, this you must, if you know the period, then it will be easy. So how will you write this one? The number between this comma is 49. So 49 lakhs. 49 lakhs, and here between this comma the number is 10, and it is in thousands period, so it is 10,000s. 10,000. Again, this is easy for you to read. 765. Last 3 digit you need not to fear. Only these things you will be making mistake. So the number is 49. It is in lakhs period. So 49 lakhs. The number is, here the number is 10, and it is in thousands period. So 10,000, and this is 765. Okay, I have written in Indian place value chart 49 lakhs, 10,765. Let's see now international place value chart. Okay, I have written the numbers. First, placing comma is important. First, put a comma between the periods. Okay, so in international system only 3 periods. So from right side only how to count the 3 periods, not from the 3 places, not from the left side. Okay, so from right side if you count 1, 2, 3. So after 3 periods, so we put a comma, again 1, 2, 3. After this we put a comma. So now you write the periods on the top, then you will, that is rough only, you don't do like in the fair copy. Okay, when you write it, this one rough work only. See, this is the first 3 period is ones period, next 3 places is, this is thousands period, and the next one is millions period. Okay, so when you put a comma, you put a comma from the right side, but when you write the number name, you will write from the left side only. Okay, so here the number, the only up to the comma you have to count. Okay, so here up to this comma, here the number is only 4 is there, so the number is 4 and its period is million, so you will write 4 million. You will write 4 million. So 4 millions we have written. Now see the comma up to the next comma, this number 3 number, if you see, how do you read these 3 numbers? 910. 910. You see the number. Okay, only 3 numbers are there. This one you read it 910, and this is in thousands period. So you have to write 910,000. 910. Again the period name you have to write 1000. Okay. Okay, after this, now ones period, this is as usual only 765. In international place value chart, now when they write the number name, children make a common mistake is here. Now 100, now this 100 they make a mistake. Sometimes they write 900,000, again 10,000. That way they write. The period you will write only once at the end. First you write the number name. This number, now what is this? 910. First you write this numbers, number in words, then last you write the 1000. They write that period name between 900,000, again 10,000. That way they write 2 times they write the 1000. Okay, so this period you have to write only at the end. Okay, same thing here also. Sometime if it is in million places, so suppose here is 16 is here, then you have to write 164 million. There also they make mistake. They write 10 million, 64 million, like that. No, they make a mistake. So first you write the number what it is between the comma, then you write the period. That's all. It is very easy. First you place a comma, then you count up to the observe up to the comma. That number you read, what number, that spelling you write. Then after that you write the period. What is the period it is, that period you write. The last one only you don't write the period, but for all other things you write the period. Here you don't write 765 once, you don't write, no, once you no need to write, but here only you will write the periods. Okay, so this is the way. Here you don't make mistake, little more be careful. No, they make a mistake when 100 comes. Okay, now let's see the place value. Now let's see the place value here. Now you have to write the place value according to the international place value chart. No, so how to write? Let's see here. First you put a comma, then it is easy. Always for place value and the number name, first you write the periods. Okay, so here comma after 3 digit, again after 3 digits we put a comma, and this is ones period, and this is thousands period, and this is million period. Okay, like this you separate it, then it will be easy for you. Okay, now so at random let me take, you know already how we have done, no, in the Indian place value chart. This the number is here 4, and the place is, this is in ones, so 4 into 1 we write 4, so the 4 place value is 4. Same way here the number is 2 and it's in the place of 10, so 2 into 10, 20. Okay, this is the same only here. Now suppose if you take this one, 7, if you take 7, the number is 7 and it is in which place? You see, this is thousands period, no? So this is 1000, this is 10,000, this is 100,000. So this is in the place of 10,000. Okay, in these three, if you see, this is in these three numbers in thousands period. This is 1000, this is 10,000, this is 100,000. So this place is 10,000. So you have to multiply by the place 10,000. So if you multiply, it is 7 into 10,000, 70,000. Okay, so the place value of 7 is 70,000. Now if you take now 6, the number is 6 and you have to multiply by the place. So the place is here what? Only 1 million, no? There is no other millions are there, only 1 million. So you have to multiply by the million. The place is million. So if you multiply by million, so the answer will be 6 million. So this is a place value of 6. So this is the way we find the place value of the number. Just multiply the number by its places. Okay, so as usual only like how we have done in the Indian place value chart. No? The same way we find the place value. Thank you.